ISHA Life, bringing yogic wisdom into your everyday life. Sadhguru says, there is only one business in the world, and that is of human well-being. In that direction, ISHA Life aims to bring the wisdom of yogic sciences to everyone.
Namaskaram. ISHA Life Store. ISHA Life has been originated from Sadhguru's vision and insights to develop products which will overall help in the well-being of humanity. This store has products which helps to enhance one's health, immunity, and it has also organic clothing and many more things. Let's explore this store. Let's have a sneak peek what is inside this store.
Just at the entrance of this particular ISHA Life store is an Adiyogi statue, and just below the Adiyogi statue there is a linga placed in a water pool, and just below this is Sadhguru Sanidhi.
We'll just take blessings of this.
ISHA Life Store is a heaven of wellness and spiritual treasures. Its captivating ambience that instantly calms the mind and revitalizes your senses. From the moment you enter, you feel a sense of peace and positive energy. A wide array of consecrated items are also available at ISHA Life Store. From yantras and sutras to Rudraksh beads and sacred ash, each object holds a unique vibrational resonance that can enhance your spiritual practices and bring profound transformation. The collection of consecrated items at ISHA Life Store holds the potential to elevate your spiritual journey and connect you to higher realms of consciousness. They are not just objects, but gateways to divine energies and blessings. In this store, we can find collection of books written by Sadhguru himself. Sadhguru's books are widely cherished for their profound wisdom, clarity, and transformative impact. From inner engineering to a taste of well-being, his writings offer deep insights into various aspects of life, spirituality, and inner well-being. With this exceptional collection of spiritual books, ISHA Life Store has a gateway to profound wisdom and spiritual growth. It's a place where you can embark on a transformative journey through the power of words. There are also a wide array of natural body care products that are chemical free. The use of all natural body care products that are chemical free can help keep your body and energy in a state of natural vibrance. Herbs and extracts from medical plants allow you to connect with the earth, bringing rejuvenation and inner harmony. Their collection of organic body care products is created using natural and sustainable sourced ingredients, ensuring it's truly rejuvenating. The store also has organic clothing, various yoga accessories, and home decor products which are designed to help one move towards their well-being and transform their lives.
ISHA Life Store is spread all over the India in many places. This particular store is located in the Mumbai International Airport Terminal T2. So whenever you are traveling, you can take benefit of this store. Also, you can purchase online.
To purchase online, you can log on to www.ishalife.com. Link is mentioned in the description of this video. On this website of ISHA Life, you can browse through various categories like Rudraksh, temple and consecrated, natural food, health and immunity, organic clothing, body care products, and plenty other. Just select your desired products and get the taste of well-being. ISHA Life store online is available worldwide in various countries like United States, Malaysia, Australia, and also European Union.